Welcome friends, today we gonna incorporate Google Analytics GA4 account with blog account. Open blog account, go to settings, after that go to Google Analytics measurement ID, click on it to edit. Open your Google Analytics account, go to admin. Now, go to data stream. Now, you need to copy measurement ID. Go back to your Blogger setting and paste the code into your Google Analytics Blogger setting. That's it. Here you can see the live traffic coming to your Blogger page. Thanks for watching.